Hi, my name is Chef Ling. If you don't know who I am, I'm a Trinidadian-born chef that's trying to push Trinidad culture to the top of the world through its food. I started my culinary adventure by opening a restaurant called Caribbean Sunset about 7 years ago. At that point, I was asked to be in MasterChef Canada, and I was so thankful to get the opportunity until a tragic accident that set me back quite substantially. A fire. Oh boy.
Yeah.
I couldn't let
Yeah, I'll
that stop
stay
my
and get names
dream
and stuff and-
of bringing Trinidad culture to the top
Clear up.
through its food. So I had to open my next restaurant, my next venture, which I'm so proud of, Maracas. Maracas was my next venture after Caribbean Sunset. And there I cook for such stars as Nyla Blackman, Kerwin Dubois,
for making me happy on this Sunday.
and even Marshall Montano himself. And this is my love affair with doubles. Guys, this is our next episode of Lime with Link. Today we're going to be talking about doubles. I'm going to show you why my doubles are the best in Toronto. I have a story and it's crazy. Follow along. It's not going to be jokes because 8 out of 10 people in Toronto will say that my doubles are the best in Toronto. And the other 2, they're going to say it's not the best because they don't like me. But let's get right into why. This episode, I want to take you to learn a little bit more about me. And I thought about it. The best way for me to show you who I am is through my doubles. Everybody in Toronto knows me for my doubles. And I'm out here showing you why it's the best. There's the most amount of love and care that goes into each doubles. I put all of my heart into each one. It almost felt like I had to give up my entire life for a simple street food. I personally had no doubt in my mind. I had to do it. It was part of me, and I had to show the world what we were meant for, what Trinidad and Tobago's food stood for. And I was here in Toronto to actually just give out that big announcement. And I couldn't do it with the experience that I had, so I had to get up every single day and try and try and try. I can't begin to tell you how frustrating it was to just keep going. Just making doubles every single day and honestly, not even being able to get it right every single time. Working it out every day, waking up. But you know what? Nothing was gonna stop me. And I had to get it. I took it upon myself to go to every part of Trinidad and Tobago to eat doubles. So I can make sure that I'm gonna deliver the best quality that I can to represent Trinidad and Tobago. It took a lot from me to make this happen. And now creatively, I can finally stretch my legs and try other things. You would wonder why somebody would give up their entire life to just try to make the most simplest street food in Trinidad. But for me, it was more than just food. It was the actual culture that I was trying to portray to the people in Toronto. That's why it was so important. Making doubles now for about 7 years and only 650,000 doubles in, I could tell you I've reached it, perfection. And I'm here to tell you that story. Who knew I could give up everything just for something so simple as a Caribbean street food with just 2 pieces of fried bara and some chana. Guys, the journey of trying to get this thing perfect was insane. And I can't wait to show you what it looks like now. So let's really start to actually cook this thing, okay? Trust the process. We are told or taught that we have to trust the process. And for me, it all comes down to the process when I'm making my doubles. From start to finish, you're looking at it about 4 hours. You have the yeast that has to have that proper reaction before adding it to the bara. When mixing that bara, if you put too much turmeric, you're gonna come out with an orange bara. Nobody wants Christmas bars. Now to the chana. Letting that chana soak. Now pressure cooking that chana. If you don't put enough baking soda, you're not gonna come up with that creamy texture that you guys know and love. but if you put too much, you're gonna end up with red chana. Guys, to me, the assembly is very important as well. That's why I make my own homemade pepper sauce, so that you get that punch of heat without killing anybody, and that sweet and tangy tamarind sauce. Because if you put too much sugar, you're not gonna get it tangy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Line with Ling. All of these things put together makes these doubles one of the best, and I can't wait to share it with you. I hope you guys like this new form of content I'm trying out. If you do, leave a comment below, subscribe, and this is my doubles documentary. All for doubles and all to make Trinidad and Tobago #1 in the world for its culture and food.